Hi friends, how are you doing? This is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer, once again in the YouTube today. I am going to explain one of the emerging monitoring performance tool and performance strategy tool that is called APM, Application Performance Management, Application Performance Monitoring. So before going to before going to this concept, I want to make you understand and I want to ask you few questions. So, what do you mean by application and what do you mean by performance and how to track performance and visibility of the application? So, for all above questionnaires and questions, here are the answers. So, now I am directly jumping into the session called APM. So, application performance monitoring is one of the emerging technology in nowadays in information technology in order to track and in order to diagnose and in order to monitor health and wealth of application in every second and every minute 24 bar 7 and in order to give client satisfaction to end users. So for that purpose APM is used. So it is going to, as I told, it is going to track the application performance and also visualize the application, how it is running, and how it is running without bugs and errors, and also track the error analysis 24 bar 7 without fault in the application. For that purpose application performance monitoring is used. So in order to make you understand in layman terms APM performance, so here I want to tell you one simple example. Here you have purchased one Apple iPad from the Amazon. So you will get the order. So what you will do? You will charge it first, and you will charge it totally, and you will install all suitable applications in the iPad what you needed. So once it is done, what you will do? You will scan the application. You will go to settings. You will check the performance and possibility of the applications, how it is running, and also you will check the virus, how without any bugs and errors. So this is the step you are following once you buy the iPad. So you will install the applications, you will scan the applications, and you will see the performance of the applications, how it is working without bugs and errors. So that's why I took the small example in order to make you understand. So this is the layman term example I took, iPad example. Now I am coming to the scenario, like techno functionality scenario, real time scenario. So here, as I told iPad, here it will be implemented to one of the application. So as I told, there will be like a travel based application, Corex application. So Corex application is having lot of servers and lot of applications and lot of applications that are working in several cities in India and as well as abroad. So in order to monitor all applications in India and as well as abroad. So you need APM, application performance monitor. So this tool is very important to track the end user requirements and also server performance, application performance, server visibility and actions. So APM is applied in software industry. It's very important and plays a vital role in order to check the performance and also in order to reduce the cost of the application, to give the fine tuned application to end user requirement, and also to improve the application performance and fine running. For that purpose APM is used. Now I am coming to the benefits. Benefits is like as I told, one is end user requirement, giving a client a good quality and also reducing the cost. This is one. These are the benefits. So before